less than cumulative frequency curve. See, to draw any curve, we take x-axis and y-axis, no? So, what we take on x-axis, what we take on y-axis, that is important. Accordingly, we plot the points and we join, we will get a curve. So, what we take on x-axis, what we take on y-axis, that I am going to dictate. You write down. Write down. Take upper boundaries. Write down. Take upper boundaries of a class. Take upper boundaries of the classes. Take upper boundaries of the classes on x-axis. Upper boundaries on x-axis, or simply you write upper boundaries on x-axis. Upper boundaries on x-axis less than cumulative frequency on y-axis. Less than cumulative frequency on y-axis. Take upper boundaries on x-axis less than cumulative frequency on y-axis. The curve obtained by joining the points. The curve obtained by joining the points. The curve obtained by joining the points. Curve obtained by joining the points is called less than cumulative frequency curve. This curve is called less than cumulative frequency curve. The curve obtained by joining the points is called less than cumulative frequency curve. Upper boundaries on x-axis, frequency on y-axis. We plot the points, and if we join the points, we will get a curve that is called less than cumulative frequency curve. Next, one more, last curve. Greater than cumulative frequency curve. Greater than cumulative frequency curve. Next point, second point. Greater than cumulative frequency curve. Or you write down the numbers afterwards, because for bar graph you may be written one number, histogram 2, frequency polygon 3, frequency curve 4, less than cumulative frequency curve 5, and this is 6. Like that also you can write. Total 6 graphs I explained. So for greater than cumulative frequency curve, we take lower boundaries on x-axis. Lower boundaries on x-axis greater than cumulative, GCF, greater than cumulative frequency on y-axis. So we plot the points, and if we join them, so that curve is called greater than cumulative frequency curve. Write down. Here, we take lower boundaries on x-axis. We take lower boundaries on x-axis. Lower boundaries on x-axis. Lower boundaries on x-axis. Lower boundaries on x-axis greater than cumulative frequency on y-axis. Greater than cumulative frequency on y-axis. Greater than cumulative frequency on y-axis. Lower boundaries on x-axis greater than cumulative frequency on y-axis. The curve obtained by joining these points. Curve obtained by joining these points. curve obtained by joining these points is called, the curve obtained by joining these points is called greater than cumulative frequency curve. Curve obtained by joining these points is called greater than cumulative frequency curve. Write down. Curve obtained by joining these points is called greater than cumulative frequency curve. Okay. These two curves, less than cumulative frequency curve, greater than cumulative frequency curve. So these two curves, actually the shape of this curve, this shape is also called ogive. This shape is called ogive. Ogive is a name in other languages, so not in our English. So it is other language. That shape is named as a ogive. So same is taken here. So these curves are also called ogive curves. Ogive means less than cumulative frequency, greater than. Both curves are called ogive curves. So generally in our textbook, this sentence will not be given. Ogive curve. Ogive means less than type ogive curve, greater than type ogive curve. So less than this cumulative frequency curve is also called ogive curve. Write down that also. Write down. These cumulative frequency curves also called cumulative frequency curves also called ogive curves. O-G-I-V-E. It is a name. It is a name. Ogive curves. So instead of calling greater than cumulative frequency curve, we call it as a greater than ogive curve. Previous one, less than ogive curve. That's all. Another name for it. Okay, students. So this is over. Both the ogive curves I explained how to draw. Now the last problem in the exercise. So let us complete it, and tomorrow I may start. Tomorrow we may go for the new lesson. So students, 117 in this textbook it is 178 page. The last problem, exercise 7.3. This is the fifth question. Table is given. Students, copy that table. Two, 8, 18, 27, 35. This is the table. Students, total 4 questions in this. Total 4 questions. First is prepare the class intervals. Class interval we have to prepare. Second is we have to prepare the frequency. Frequencies, class interval and the frequency we have to prepare. See, don't write. Less than 5 means or I will continue this only. See, don't get confused, friends. I will continue this only. I will continue the same, this one, same table. Same table I am continuing. First question is class intervals. Class interval we have to prepare. Class interval. How to prepare the class interval? See, students, less than 5 marks cannot be negative. So less than 5 means starting from what? 0. So this class interval is 0 to 5. You may forget everything. Class intervals also you may forget. Try to recollect. Class interval means lower, there will be a range. So 0 to 5. Less than 5 means up to 5. Less than 5. Less than 5. Less than 10. Less than 10 means only less than 5 are covered here. So less than 10 means this is 5 to 10. 5 to 10. Less than 15 means only less than 10 are covered here. So 10 to 15. Less than 20 means only less than 15 are covered here. So 15 to 20. This is 20 to 25. Like this we prepare the class intervals. Already we did. Less than 5 means starting from 0. So 0 to 5. Less than 10 means only less than 5 is over here. So up to 5 we write here. So 6 mark 6 marks, 7 marks, 8 marks, 9 marks, like that. Up to 10 we write here. So 5 to 10 only. This is less than 15 means not all. Up to 15 it is over. So 15, 10, up to 10 is over. 10 onwards here. So 10 to 15. After 15 we write here. So 15 to 20. 25, 20 to 25. Right now. So students, class interval is prepared. Class interval is prepared. 0 to 5, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25 and 20 to 25. That's all. Frequencies. This is also asked. Second question. Frequency means be careful. This also we did. Here this given is, this is the cumulative frequency. Less than 5 means 2, less than 10 means 8, less than 15 means 18, like that. So less than 5 means 2. So less than 5 means less than 5 means starting from 0. So 0 to 5 range 2 students. How many students? 2 students are in the range 0 to 5. Next 8 students are in the less than 10. Less than 10 means total will come. 0 marks, 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark, 4 mark, 5 mark, 6, 7, 8, 9, all will come. So, but we want only 5 to 10. So, less than 5, 2 students if you remove, remaining will be 6. 6. 8 minus 2. Because 2 are already covered here. So, total 8 means, this is total 8. Less than 10 means starting from 0 to 10, 8 students. In that 0 to 5 you remove, so 5 to 10 range will be only 6 because total should be 8, no? Like that. Next, what is the, how many students are here? So total up less than 15, 18 students. Less than 10, 8 students. So in this range 10 to 15, 18 minus 8. 10 students will be here. So 27 minus 18. 9 students. 35 minus 27. 8 students. Like that. This is same. So if we have to remove 2, so this range we will get. This range will be 8 minus 2, 6 students. This range will be 18 minus 8, 10. Because already up to 10, 8 students got. So up to 15, 18 students. So if you remove these 10 students, up to 10 mark students, so only 10 to 15 range will be 10 only. 8 minus 2, 6. 18 minus 8, 10. 27 minus 18, 9. 35 minus 18, 8. Over. Class interval is prepared. Frequency also prepared. Therefore, you can write this separately also. You can write like this. Class interval, frequency is prepared. The 2 questions are over. First question, second question. So 2 more questions we have. Write down, students. Up to here you write down. Write down. Complete this table. Now 2 more questions. Less than ogive curve, greater than ogive curve. Both we have to draw. See the question. Also draw the ogive curves. Less than ogive curve, greater than ogive curve. Just now I gave the definition. I explained how to draw the curves. For less than ogive curve, less than cumulative frequency curve or less than ogive curve, both are same. So how to draw this? You see the definition. Upper boundaries here, less than cumulative frequency here. Upper boundaries and less than cumulative frequency. Less than cumulative frequency. Upper boundaries and less than cumulative frequency. These 2 we have to take. What is the upper boundary? 0 to 5. Upper boundary is 5. Upper boundary. Upper boundary, upper limit, both are 5 only. What is the upper boundary? 10. Upper boundary 15. Upper boundary 20. Upper boundary 25. Upper boundaries. First we have to take the upper boundaries. Upper boundary 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 over. Next what we have to take? Less than cumulative frequency. These students I explained it. Less than cumulative frequencies means adding the frequencies from top. Otherwise I will write frequency here and LCF here. First I will write the same. This 2, 6, 10, 9, 8. Frequency I wrote. How to prepare the less than cumulative frequency I explained. We did problems also. Less than cumulative frequency means adding the frequencies from top. 2 plus 6, 8. Adding the frequencies from top, it is called less than cumulative frequency. Adding the frequencies from bottom, it is greater than cumulative frequency. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 10, 18. 18 plus 9, 27. 27 plus 8 is 35. Students, class intervals are prepared already. First we require upper boundaries. Upper boundary is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Next what we require? LCF. This is not no need, but only to write this, I copied here. Actually it is not necessary. Less than cumulative frequencies means adding the frequencies from top. First to 2. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 10, 18. 18 plus 9, 27. 20 plus 7 plus 8, 30. Like that we have to prepare. So what we are drawing now? Less than cumulative frequency curve, or it is also called less than ogive curve. Less than ogive curve. How to draw? X-axis, Y-axis. What we take here? Upper boundaries. Upper boundaries. Here, less than cumulative frequency. Less than cumulative frequency. Students, see here. Now, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Upper boundaries means we have to get these numbers. So, see here. Say this is 0. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Upper boundaries on x-axis. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Here frequencies. But don't write these numbers because these are same difference, no? 5 difference. So I took like this. But here the differences are different. So we can't write the numbers. So you take like this. Say for example this is say up to 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 like that. Same equal intervals we should take. Now after taking like this, now see. First one, upper boundary 5, don't write. Upper boundary 5. Frequency what? 2. LCF. Less than this, you don't consider this. Only this and this only. This and this. Here 5 I took. Frequency is 2. Where is 2? 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. So if you take the graph, this total, if you take the big square as 5, small squares will be small, there will be 10 squares. So each 2 squares you can take 1. So 2 means total 4 squares. So 2 means it is somewhere here. Say for example, this is 5 means 2 will be somewhere here. No? 2 and this is 5. So 5, 2. This is the point. 5, 2. This is the point. Don't write. Next. 10, 8. See students, 10. 10, 8 means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 8 will be somewhere here, approximately. Because this is not a graph paper. So this is the point. Next. 15, 18. 15. 15, 18 is, this is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 18 is somewhere here. This is the point. Next, 20, 27. 20, 27, 27, 25. 26, 27 somewhere here. One more point. Next. $25, $35. $25, $35. 25, 25, LCF is 35, 25, 35. This is the curve. Less than type ogive curve. Less than ogive curve. Right. Draw this curve. Write very neatly upper boundaries less than cumulative frequency. Less than cumulative frequency and upper boundaries. And this curve is called less than type ogive curve. This is the procedure for drawing the less than type ogive curve. We have only one problem. You practice it. Because we have only one problem. We don't have examples or exercise problems for practice. Only one problem is given for this less than type ogive curve. How to draw? Upper boundaries 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 on x-axis. 5, 10 like this. I took any numbers you can take, but it should cover all these. Up to 35 it should cover. So 2 means somewhere here. 2, 5, 2. This is 5, 5, 2, x-axis 5, y-axis 2, 1, 2, 3 like this, no? So 2 will be like this. This is 5, no? So 2 will be somewhere here approximately, because this is not drop paper. So next 10, 8. 10 is here, 8 is 5, 6, 7, 8 like this. 15, 18. 20, 27. See, 20, 27, 27, 25, 26, 27 approximately. 25, 35. 25, 25, 25, 35 is here. This is the point. Join them. This is less than ogive curve. Complete it. Next, last question, greater than ogive curve. How to draw the greater than ogive curve? For that we have to take up, now instead of upper boundaries, you have to take lower boundaries. Lower boundaries. Instead of LCF, you have to take GCF. Students, how to prepare the lower boundaries? What is our first class? I rubbed it actually. First class is 0 to 5, no? 0 to 5, first class. Next class 10 to 15, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 20, 15 to 20 only, no? Okay. 20 to 25, 5 classes. So upper boundary 5 means lower boundary 0. In 0 to 5, 0 to 5 class, previously I took upper boundaries. Now lower boundaries, lower boundary is 0. Next is 5 to 10. 5 to 10, lower boundary 5. Next is 10 to 15, lower boundary 10. Next is 15 to 20, 15. Next 20 to 25, this is 20. Lower boundaries. Lower boundaries. Lower boundaries. Next, GCF means what that I explained. Adding the frequencies from bottom is called greater than cumulative frequency curve. So this is 8. Adding the frequencies from bottom. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 10, 27. 27 plus 6, 33. 33 plus 2, 35. Like this. Adding the frequencies from bottom. 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 10, 27. 27 plus 6, 33. 33 plus 2, 30. Lower boundary means 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. Class intervals we prepared it previously. I prepared the class intervals. So lower bound, upper boundaries I took for the previous less than ogive curve. For greater than ogive curve we have to take the lower boundaries 0, 5, 10, 15, 20 like. So now another diagram. Lower boundaries. And here instead of LCF, GCF. Students, don't write. Actually, we can draw both the curves on the same diagram. Same diagram only we can draw both curves. But I will explain separately so that you will get some idea. Lower boundaries. Now see, first point. Lower boundary 0. Frequency GCF 35. See here students, 0 is here, 0, 35. This is the point. 0, 35. This is the point. Don't write. 5, 33. 5 up to 33, 33, 33, 30, 31, 32, 33 here. 10, 27. 10, 27 is here. 10, 27. 15, 17. 15, 17. 15, 17. 17 means 15, 16, 17. 17 is here. 17 and this is 15, 17. These two we have to take. Forget about the middle one. Only these two. 10, 27. 10, 27. 15, 17. 15, 17. 28. 28 means 5, 6, 7, 8 like this. Like this. Join them. Not a straight line, curve. So this is the G greater than ogive curve. Only one problem is there, students. So that's all.